Okay, class.
Yes, yes.
Today in math, we are going to talk about ways, Kenley and Renzo, ways to make 10, okay? So we are going to watch a video about number pairs that make 10 from Jack Hartman, okay? So pay attention because I'm going to ask you about this. And we have a game to play that makes 10. If you guys need to move to see, you can.
Let's learn our number
Yeah, you can stand up.
Build your math
Yes.
fluency. These are
Yes, you
number
can dance.
pairs that make 10. I can say my number pairs. Yes, I can.
I'm sorry.
Say my number pairs and use my hand. I know that two parts make a whole.
Scoot back.
Let's learn the number pairs of 10.
Lizzie, you're blocking it for Zach.
And 0. 0 and 10. 9 and 1. 1 and 9. 8 and 2. 2 and
Linda, you're blocking it.
7 and 3. 3 and 7. 6 and 4. 4 and 6. 5 and 5. 5 and 5. Those are the number pairs that make 10. A little faster. 10 and 0. 0 and 10. 9 and 1. 1 and 9. 8 and 2. 2 and 8. 7 and 3. 3 and 7. 6 and 4. 4 and 6. 5 and 5. 5 and 5. Those are the number pairs that make 10. A little faster. 10 and 0. 0 and 10. 9 and 1. 1 and 9. 8 and 2. 2 and 8. 7 and 3. 3 and 7. 6 and 4. 4 and 6. 5 and 5. 5 and 5. Those are the number pairs that make 10.
Disney, now can I go to the bathroom?
Yes, I can. I can say my number pairs and use my hands. I know that two parts make a whole. Learning my number pairs helps my brain grow.
Alright, so now what we're going to do is you guys are going to tell me the number combinations that equal 10. Okay, we just watched the video of Jack Hartman and he showed us what makes 10. I need some help. What makes 10? Kinley, give me one. 0 plus 10 equals 10. What's another one from the video? Let's just go in order. We have 0. What would our next number be after 0? What comes after 0? Layla? Count, start at 0 and then count up. What comes after 0? 1. Okay, so 1 plus what, Layla? 10 equals 10. What's the turnaround fact for that, Hadley? 10 plus 0 equals 10. Marissa, what's the turnaround fact for 1 plus 9 equals 10?
2.
No, that's not what I'm asking. I'm saying, what's the turnaround fact?
Oh.
Axton.
9 plus 1.
9 plus 1 equals 10. Now we can do 2. Marissa, 2 plus what equals 10?
2 plus 8.
Good job. 2 plus 8 equals 10. What's the turnaround fact for 2 plus 8 equals 10? Alice. 8 plus 2 equals 10. Okay. What's our next one? Renzo. We have 0, 1, 2.
6 plus
Oh, that's not our next one. We have 0, 1, 2. What would our next one be?
7.
3 plus what, Renzo?
3 plus 7.
Equals 10? What's the turnaround fact for 3 plus 7 equals 10? Connor?
7 plus 3.
7 plus 3 equals 10. Okay. What comes next? We have 0, 1, 2, 3. Clayton?
6
Plus what?
plus 4 equals 10.
I see where you're going there. So you're thinking, okay, well, I need to know it's 4, and 4 plus 6 equals 10, yes? And what's our turnaround fact for 4 plus 6 equals 10? If we were listening, Clayton just gave it to us. Kinley?
6 plus 4 equals 10.
And we have one, well, kind of 2, but basically just one last one. What's our last one? We have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. What is our next one going to be? Lizzie?
5 plus 5.
Equals 10. And what's the turnaround fact for that? Everybody, what's the turnaround fact for 5 plus 5 equals 10? Yeah. 5 plus 5 equals 10. You're right. Okay. Today, we're going to be playing a game called Fishing for 10. So these facts are so important for us to know because today, when we play our game, it involves these facts. Okay? So, I'm going to screen share with you really quickly how we're going to be playing this game. And I need a partner to be a volunteer to be my partner. You know what? I'm going to call from the hat because I feel like everybody's volunteering. Let me put everybody's name back. Well, she's gone. Layla, bring your iPad and come on up, girl. All right, for this game, we need to be on Connect Ed. I'm going to show you guys the one to click to get on there, okay? Yes, I'm going to show you. Actually, maybe I should show you using Layla's iPad. Because my iPad does not have that on there. Layla, bring your iPad up. I'm going to use yours. Is it in self-service? The one that they're supposed to use? Because it's not on my iPad.
It should be the website, so it should be already. Did she take it off?
Yeah, I don't see that all on mine. Let me check yours, Layla. Uh-oh, we might not be playing Fishing for 10 today.
No, we can. It'll be easy. Hold on.
Fishing for 10?
No, she's got it on hers. I just don't have it on mine.
Okay. Here, I'll bookmark it on yours.
Okay, perfect. Okay, I'm gonna use your iPad to show everybody. Okay. Okay. All right. So to get to this game, we have to log in to. It's Connect Ed, but it's called McGraw-Hill. It's a white box with a red box inside of it that says McGraw-Hill. Can everybody see that right there?
Yes.
Okay, it's McGraw-Hill. Okay.
What happens if somebody doesn't have it?
Okay, you guys have it. Mrs. May just didn't have it, okay? Now, once you click onto that,
There you go.
your username. Okay, for some reason, this is not wanting to show up for Zachary at home. So let me see if it'll work if we get closer. There we go. Your username for this is going to start out like your email starts out. Okay? So, for Layla, hers would be Hicks L31. Now, the only difference is we don't type at knoxr1.us. So hers is Hicks L31. So it's going to be your last name, your first initial, 31. Your password is going to be capital E AGLES. It's Eagles with a capital E 1. So just like usual, Eagles 1. Okay? Whoops, I must have typed this in wrong. Let's try again.
Miss May, it's just like your, is it just Eagles 1?
And Layla might have been the one that was gone that day.
I think we got everybody's.
Well, hers isn't showing up.
It's 31, isn't it? Is that what you did?
Yeah.
Oh, for Eagles, it's 31? Oh, that was Mrs. May's fault.
I think,
So they're both 31?
So this time, it's different than iReady. On this one, it's Eagles 31, and Mrs. May typed 1. So it's Eagles 31. Okay, so it's different than iReady. It's Eagles 31. Okay? All right. Once you guys get to this page, you're going to click Launch. Okay, so you click Launch. Then you're going to click eToolkit. Okay, once you've got that, I can now explain the game. So I want everybody to go ahead, go to McGraw-Hill, and we're going to log in, okay? Okay, you hold that. So remember, your username, Layla, I'm going to kick you out of this real quick. I need you to get out your iPad and get started.
you can raise your hand.
Your username is going to be your last name, first initial, 31, just like your email. But your password is going to be Eagles31. Lizzie, just start typing your email, but don't type at knoxr1.us.
Oh, no capital. Okay, good question. I've had more than one of you ask, is it capital? No, not the first. I know you usually capitalize your name, but it's not this time. Good question.
So,
Here's what we're going to do, guys. Get out your login sheet. Everybody go get out your login sheet. We're going to add it to your login sheet because we had a weird, funky one on there last time. So at home, can you please get out your login sheet? I am going to grab your login sheet that's at school. We're going to do it together.
That's yours.
is it a capital? So you guys are going to add always go. Is this different already?
Okay, so on your login sheet, go ahead and cross out where it says connected. 'Cause that's not right anymore. We switched that. That's why it's all weird. We switched that. Now, you're going to do lowercase green Z31. Then, that is your username. You can pause it if you need to catch up. Your password
Marissa, do you know your last name?
is Eagles31.
So type your last name, do not capitalize it.
Okay, I'm going to go ahead and pause this while I log everybody else in, so you'll have to watch the next video to see how to play the game.